welcome back to our channel and welcome back to today's video. So today's video is gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna be doing a clean with me video. I have really been wanting to deep clean, not so much declutter yet. I'm probably gonna save that for another video, but I just need to deep clean everything. So if you need some motivation to get inspired to clean, make sure you continue watching the video. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you're notified every time a new video goes up.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head.
sure if you guys can even see the lint. Oh my goodness. Definitely not wearing these next time to clean.
Think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. I've been dreaming, 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 I've been dreaming.
I'm mesmerized by these eyes. I'm so high, they watching. I'm mesmerized by these eyes. I'm so high, they watching. I'm mesmerized by these eyes. I'm so high, they watching. I'm mesmerized by these eyes. I'm so high, they watching. I'm mesmerized by these eyes. I'm so high, they
Okay guys, so I am gonna call it quits for the night. It is actually 9 o'clock. I started the process, I want to say around 1:30, 2 o'clock today, and it's 9. I didn't even get to my bathrooms. I didn't get to do everything that I had planned to do in this video, but that's okay because there's always going to be more videos. So, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and you got some motivation from it. And if you have any tips for me, because this is really my first clean with me video, then leave those down below because I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. But I do feel better. I feel accomplished. I didn't get the whole house done. I still have to get into my son's room. That's going to be a video in itself. I need to declutter. I need to organize, all that. So more videos to come. So if you did enjoy this video, let me know by leaving a like. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below and subscribe if you're not, and we'll see you in the next video.